Think you've tried every classroom hack? I guarantee there's one in this list that will surprise you. Teachers, stand at your door each morning. A quick greeting sets the tone and builds community fast. Teachers, place a bell ringer on desks before class. Students start right away, settle quietly, and you can take roll stress-free. Give every student a classroom job, like tech helper or kindness captain. Rotating jobs helps kids feel needed and part of the team. Teachers, save this outfit for date night. This look doesn't help students learn. Teachers, save this outfit for the gym, not your classroom. Teachers, save this look for a fashion show. Your classroom needs comfort, not couture. Post a no-name poster near your turn-in tray. Clip papers with no names so kids can claim them later. Color code your classroom. Use matching bins, folders, and labels so kids always know where things go. Use a rolling cart for center supplies. Label bins with simple icons so kids grab what they need fast. No questions asked. Use Velcro dots on your bulletin board. Make swapping student work super fast, no staples, no tape mess. Use a twin-size sheet for your bulletin board background. It won't fade or tear, and it lasts all year long. Cover bulletin boards with a matte shower liner. Protects work, and you can write on it with dark dry erase markers. Print labels and stick them on magnetic strips. Move them on your whiteboard for quick, flexible schedules. Teach students exactly how to line up, where to stand, how to face, what voice level to use. Consistency keeps transitions calm. Assign one student per row to pass out and collect papers. Cuts chaos and saves you minutes every day. Use a song or chime to signal cleanup. Students know it means wrap up fast. Hey teacher friends, here's a quick transition hack. Set a 1-minute timer with soft but upbeat music whenever you move between activities. The timer cuts down on wasted time, and the music sets a positive tone. Try it tomorrow. Teach silent signals, like crossed fingers for restroom. It stops interruptions and keeps the flow going. During small groups, wear a fun signal, like a leg. When it's on, students know not to interrupt. Use rotation slides to manage centers. Students switch smoothly, and you stay focused on your small group. Keep a supply caddy at your teacher table. With markers, boards, and manipulatives ready, you save time and teach more. Give each student an accountability folder for center work. It keeps them organized, and you can check progress quickly. Use a voice-level pocket chart. Move the card to show whisper, partner talk, or silence. Students adjust right away. Pick a mystery student each day. If they stay on task, the class earns a reward. Keeps everyone guessing and focused. Say, class, class, and have students reply, yes, yes. Quick, easy way to grab attention. Use table points to handle chatter. Award points to quiet groups. Students compete to keep each other on track. Want more teacher hacks? Hit subscribe and don't miss the next video. We've got plenty more tips coming your way.